fact, the Santa Cruz incident, although police has comprehensively worked out the incident, and around 22 people have already been arrested in that. Weapon of offense has also been recovered, and in continuation to that incident, we have directed all the police inspectors to particularly put people under surveillance, those who are budding criminal. Budding criminal means that he is a juvenile and he is attracted by crime, by machoism of senior criminals or their elderly partners. So no doubt incident is bad, but police has taken this incident in all seriousness, and the number of arrests shows that police has been very serious about this incident, and 22 people have been arrested. And today Honorable Chief Minister also spoke about this incident, and he also directed all the PIs to keep such people under surveillance in their respective police stations, particularly those who are juveniles, and they need to be weaned away from these kind of incidents, and if required we need to talk to their parents also.
More arrest possible, sir, in this case, or all are
This criminal conspiracy, because the case is still under investigation, and during the course of investigation, if it emerges that anybody other was also involved, of course in criminal conspiracy he can be put under arrest also.
Is it not a sad part that young buddies, young children, young people are seen in such incidents?
It is a worrying aspect, but sometimes the young people are attracted by macho image of their senior colleagues without understanding. That is why he is a juvenile. That he does not understand the consequences of his action. So that is why we said that we will definitely talk to their parents also, because parental supervision is required. Juvenile need not be tackled by a police officer in uniform. Even there are instructions that when you are dealing with the juvenile, a police officer should not be in uniform. So we will also keep such people under surveillance, talk to their parents, and if they are school-going children or if they are college-going children, we will talk to their teachers also, so that they can be weaned away from such incidents.
Now, Chief Minister had a meeting with you, your PIs and all. What is your this towards your police officials all over the police stations now?
No, police have done a lot of good work in the past, particularly in confiscation of drugs. Large number of cases have been booked. Police on the whole, all the police stations on the whole, including our unit in anti-narcotics, they are doing an excellent job. And you might have found that people had all praise for police during the lockdown process. In fact, today Honorable CM also appreciated the police efforts, and he has also urged the police officer that now the role starts, because of course the medical community is involved in containing COVID, but the role of police is also very crucial, because there are many shops, crowded markets, then there are vegetable shops, there are malls, and transport buses are there. So police need to ensure that people are maintaining social distance, and when they come out they are wearing the mask. And in our own police stations also, we have been advised by the Honorable Chief Minister also that they need to ensure that they follow all the safety precaution, hand hygiene, wearing of masks, social distancing, which of course we are already doing that. So the police has to do a lot of work in this area, because by making announcements, by random checking of shops, that whenever customers come to a particular shop, whether they are maintaining the social distance. So all these things were discussed in detail today.
When you talk about this COVID-19 and police officials are the frontline warriors, how it has been as far as providing them proper gadgets, strict facilities as far as from the state government side, because a number of police officials nowadays have been found to be COVID positive. So how it has been as far as facilities been given to your police officials?
No, let me first tell you the number is not large. There are only 8-9 people. 2 have already been recovered. 3 home guards are there. So we have provided them with masks. We have provided them with sanitizers. Even we have provided them with PPE also, reusable PPE. But you know, PPE is basically meant for those doctors, those medical people who have to come in close contact with a affected person. But we have provided these PPEs because sometime in a containment zone, you might have to go inside the containment zone, make announcement, because it is the police who makes announcement that people should confine themselves to their houses. So while making announcement, these officers are wearing PPE. Similarly, at border checkpost also, sometimes you might come in contact with a person who is suspected to be affected by corona. So at that time also, because once you are dealing with them, so that PPE should be worn, because police is performing duty in the open, in the sun. So PPE is normally not advisable to be worn at that time. So therefore, on need basis, not in particular, but yes, the community at large is supposed to assist the law enforcement. Even the criminal procedure also says that every citizen should render all possible assistance to a police officer and a magistrate. There is a legal command of the law. But during COVID-19 lockdown, I must say that all people of Goa extended their full support. Our directions were complied with. Whenever we made announcement that people should remain indoors, they followed our advice. And through your medium, I would again request all people of Goa that the risk is still there, because now there are large number of people who are affected, and social distancing is a must. People, when they come out, they should wear masks and they should follow hand hygiene.
So coming back to that Santa Cruz case, the weapon we got our local Indian made weapon. The source of weapon is being tracked, and also police is trying to find out whether such more weapons are illegal in India.
Because during the process of investigation, whenever a country makes this we do try to find out the source. And in this case also, since the case is still under investigation, the police will definitely try to find out the source.
Reason क्या था इसका?
Reason have already been explained earlier to by the SP North. Probably there was some issue related to a girl, and I would strictly not say that it is a gun war, because issue was related to a young girl, and one person from one group and one person from the other. Probably initial dispute was on that issue, and one day before this incident there was a birthday party, and all the friends were gathered there. So probably at the spur of the moment they decided to
threaten.
Yeah, just to threaten.
Has the police made night patrolling more stricter now because of this?
No, night patrolling, you know, there is a night curfew from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. So as it is, police presence is there. And of course we will further intensify.
Murder case will go in only one person.
No, that will depend on the framing of charges. Although we will
Person must have fired.
naturally, but during a criminal conspiracy, a person is liable for punishment with the same amount, which is the punishment for the main offence. So since it was a conspiracy to commit a crime, so we will of course file a charge sheet accordingly. It is up to a court of law how does they frame the charge.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.